Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in the south of France. It's very beautiful here. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. My Bitcoin long opened at that target yesterday where I put that trigger. So it already opened along. I'm going to show you that as well. And then I'm going to go through quickly like Ethereum and through like a few stocks, Tesla, just to show you, and a few alts where I would be buying. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, whenever you subscribe down there, hit the thumbs up and comment. Every video, my team's going to pick, every month, my team's going to pick 5 winners of $200 each. So $1,000 giving away every month. So make sure you hit the subscribe and comment on every video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to and Bitcoin is just again moving sideways, still in that channel. On the 4 hourly, it's just been moving between 28,600, 30,600, 28,000. It's just been doing that for all month. Right now we're curling in the middle. Looks like it's building some pressure here, but volume is dropping off. On the 4 hourly, stochastic is oversold, turning up. RSI is oversold, building pressure. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. So most likely we're going to go for a long here. And if you followed my video yesterday, I set up trigger here for Bitcoin to trigger at 29,500 for that upward movement towards the 30,000 with a tight stop loss. We're below the EMA ribbons. It looks like it's going to try and come through them again. VPVR, we have the most buying and selling is at this right where we're sitting right now, 29,600 area. Crypto Guru Bot is back to a sell. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot hasn't fired a sell at the top. It hasn't fired a buy yet. I've now gone long on Bitcoin. My long open, I'm going to show you that long and where I would open it if you haven't yet. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, there's a link down below in the description and pinned comment. If you sign up to ByBit, you get a $4,600 bonus. That's $4,600 when you sign up to ByBit, deposit Bitcoin and start trading. Use NordVPN if you have any restrictions. Over on ByBit, I've got almost $192,000 in here. BUSD, Bitcoin 1.5 Bitcoin. I've got Bit. I bought a lot of Bit here. It's up 6%, 39,000. USDT 21,000. Luna pulling back massively, 23% drop on Luna today. Huge drop. There's been a lot of selling. I'm going to show you that. Someone sold 3 million Luna. CRV, I've got 13,000. No movement in Luna. I've got that Bitcoin long opened. It triggered. It's 44% in the profits, $47. It was a $1,000 trade. With 10x leverage, it's a $10,000 trade. It opened automatically at 29,553. The take profit is at 30,600. If you followed my video yesterday, so that trade from yesterday is already in the profits. If you haven't opened a long yet, I would still be going long exactly where we're sitting right now, below the stop loss, just below that weekly resistance, that weekly support, and the take profit at the top of the channel. This is where I'd be going long on Bitcoin. So I'll be open a long right now. Stop loss just below this weekly support, take profit at the top. So I'm risking, actually I'll put it just below the weekly support. So I'm risking $355 to make $900 profits. If I use 10x leverage, $9,000 profits, 100x leverage, 900,000. That's where I would open the long on Bitcoin. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, stochastic is curling to head up. So we've got more movement here. RSI is turning to head up and squeeze mob is going to the green side. Volume is only thing lacking, but it's building pressure here for Bitcoin. So that would be the trade that I would open. Opening the trade right now, 29,700. Stop loss at 29,300. Actually, I'll put the stop loss just below here. 29,200. Take profit at 30,600. And that's the trade I've got right now. Stop loss 29,200. I'll edit that stop loss. 29,000. Going to edit this stop loss. 29,200 just in case. That stop loss is edited, so I'm risking $117 to make $349. That trade is currently $49 in the profits, 4% from yesterday. Those are my trades. I'm going to show you over on Binance. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, sign up to ByBit down below, $4,600 of bonuses. Over on Binance, I've got in here $338,000. I've got BUSD 136,000, USDT 84,000, Bitcoin 2 Bitcoin, BNB. I've got $189,56,000 of BNB. I've got buy orders for BNB at 273. Now I'm going to go and look at other ones, and I'm just going to show you some of the things that I've been posting on Twitter. This is my Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I have 36,000 followers. Make sure it's got this verified badge, James Crypto Guru with the verified. This is some of the things that have been posted. So people's graves should have QR codes that link to their story. That was just an idea I would have. What do you think is a good investment in the current market conditions? How would you invest $1 million? 26 responses. I'm going to show you this. Mine was $200,000 into Facebook, 200 Bitcoin, TSM, BNB, Google, laddering in over 1 year. Yes, MCRT people, I can't say MCRT as I'm the founder, only I'm holding the tokens. I haven't sold any. 26 responses here. Let's see what some of the responses. Only coins that develop infrastructure, 100% into Gala. I wouldn't ever go 100%. Ethereum, this guy said Ethereum. Colt DAO, I would short US real estate market. Sector protocol all day, 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, rest in other layer 1 solutions, gaming projects. This guy BTC, Ethereum, Ed. So those are some of the answers. Now I'm going to show you huge drop in Luna. So there was a $1.3 million, 1.8 million and 1.3 million Luna sold in the last few hours, and that dropped Luna a lot. We went from $6.50 to $4.80, and you can see these two volume spikes. That was 1.8 million and 1.3 million of Luna sold. So someone dumped a lot of their Luna tokens just now, which is interesting. So those are my trades. That's what I think is going to happen in the market. Let's look at some. Let's look at Ethereum. I'm going to just go quickly. CRV, where I would be buying some alts. So CRV, it's at a major support here. I'll go to the monthly. The weekly charts, the time to be buying CRV is at 97 cents. That's a good area to be buying. And 39 cents, if it ever gets down there, that's amazing loading opportunity. That's for CRV. Let's look at Tron. Tron is at 81 cents. Tron's holding up really well during this drop on Bitcoin. It hasn't been dropping much at all, with a lot of buying volume. The place to be buying Tron, if you haven't bought any, I'm going to clear this charts first. To buy Tron would be at... It's actually coiling for a big movement. Tron, if Bitcoin shows stability, Tron will rocket up. The target would actually be 11 cents for Tron would be the target if it does make this movement. So Tron is getting ready to buy. The monthly support is a good buying area as well, 0.063 cents if it gets down there. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, the time to be buying Ethereum, in my opinion, is... Ethereum could really pull back here. It could pull back all the way to 1,339. That's a really nice spot to be buying Ethereum. And it is very possible. If it breaks this support, Ethereum will come down here. We're sitting right on the support line. Most likely it will break. That's the time to be buying. 1,339 is the place to be buying Ethereum. I'm going to save this chart. And everyone, you can learn what I'm doing here in the Crypto Master Course. It's in the description and the pinned comment. Let's look at BNB. Time to be buying. We already did BNB. Let's look at Tesla, because a lot of people are asking me about Tesla. Tesla, I think, is going to have it's got the possibility of having a big drop. The time to be buying Tesla, first place, would be here at 548. Second buying, it's already down at my $700 target, which a lot of people were saying wouldn't happen, but now we're here. 336 is the next target to be. These two areas is to buy Tesla. 336 and 548 for Tesla. So those are my thoughts. Those are some quick updates. If you want to ask me any alts or cryptocurrencies or stocks to analyze, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and comment on every video. 5 winners are going to be chosen every month for $200 US. Thank you all for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.